leaves as well. Leaves के भी आप compost, leaf and manure you can add it and you put water. You can also leaf molds का compost अलग तरीके से बनता है, the same way. Only leaves and manure you can add it. Okay, animal manure. Okay, now we are going for plantation.
Now we're going for plantation and the seed sowing. Workers and all.
Can you see the seeds in my hand? It's round in shape and it's in the olive green color. These are the.
You can look at the SCD as well. You can see the seeds. These are okra seeds in her palm.
Okra seeds. Okay. But before that, to learn about the seeds, we should also tell them about how to mix the soil in a pot. About the pot, किस तरह आपको pot prepare करना है before the seed sowing. It's very compulsory because people don't know how to prepare the soil in the pot, and when they sow the seed, it doesn't germinate. This is a big problem that people are having it. The malis and the people who are sowing this seed by themselves. So I would like to have first. You can have 2 parts of balu matti, which you can see over here. Soil. You can see that soil over here. This is balu matti. 2 parts you can add in this pot, and 1 part of manure in this. Okay? And this is how we have a mixed pot in front of you. इसी तरह हमने किया है 2 parts of soil, that is called balu matti, and 1 part of animal manure. The thing, कुछ चीज़ें मुझे आपको बहुत importantly बतानी है for the good cultivation is that hoeing. Hoeing is very important. आप उसको 40 day fortnight आप कर सकते हैं for the aeration of your plant. Hoeing is very simple and easy going method. You can hoe it very slightly from the above. Topsoil जो होती है, जो compact हो जाती है, जब आप पानी continuously डालते हो, so the topsoil is compact. You hoe your soil slightly and lightly from the sides and not touching the roots, so that the soil could be aerated and your roots become healthy. Now I will sow the seed of okra. Okra is a big seed, so I will sow it 1 inch deep and 5 inches the distance between seed to seed. The plant distance between is 5 inches and the depth is 1 inch. Cover the seed with the soil. I hope you will have this okra in a month, and okay. Now we have a seed of snake melon, which we call as kakri as well. Kakri भी कहते हैं, long melon भी कहते हैं इसको, because it's of long shape, longitudinal shape. So we are going for kakri this time, because this is the season of vegetable. We are having spring, so we are very lucky to have a tropical climate in our Karachi, because we are enjoying so many vegetables in one basket. We can have all your vegetables in our homes. And now I am showing the seeds of kakri. You can see the shape of this. It's almond shaped and white in color. So yeah, white in color है और almond shape है, and it's little thinner, like it's not like okra seed. It's flat and white green color and oblong and almond shape. So the seed pod is not that much harder. So we will sow it at 1/2 inch and 5 inches distance between seed to seed. I would like to share an information that why we are having a distance between seed to seed, ताकि जो है प्लांट में कंपटीशन नहीं बढ़े. If the competition grows, तो फिर सीड जो है वो अपना फूड दूसरे प्लांट से लेता है. तो हमने इक्वली डिस्टेंस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया है, so that जो है आपके प्लांट हेल्दी और अच्छे ग्रो कर सकें.
You must try this at home because you can have your own homegrown okra as well as the melons, the snake melon, that is your kakdi. And I'm sure you'll make your mothers very happy. And you're also playing a very important in kind of growing food for your own nation. It's not just your home or somebody else's. You can always give these to your neighbors as well.
This is very nowadays sow it and you will get the plant in a month or in a month after, but there is a problem. So the problem is not, but you have to take care. इसकी transplantation होती है. When it grows in a month 4 to 6 inch, so you have to transplant in another pot. चाहे तो you have a very big pot, चाहे तो इधर आप seedling कर लें in partial pots में, और then you can partially जो है इसको इसी pot में आप इसको transplant कर दें, so that you can have a fruit. ठीक है, जब ये 4 to 6 inch हो जाए in 20 days, so you have to transplant it. Chilies और बैंगन में ये procedure होता है. Okay, the next seasons are chilies, so I'm telling the both of you in together. I'm now sowing eggplant seed in front of you in your pot. So afterwards, you people are owning this pot. You have to transplant by yourself. Otherwise, you are not getting food from this eggplant. Okay? The procedure is same, half inch deep and
You all understand what transplanting is? That is, you are changing the pot of the plant once the sapling is grown. Saplings are small plants that come out of the seeds, and then you change the pot of that.
Now we are heading towards the chilies procedure.
Okay.
The chilies are grown 12 months. You can have fruit of chilies 12 months. You can have chilies grown at your home 12 months. So now we are doing for chilies. Method is of transplanting. It's transplanting mint. We have mint in front of us. So now I will tell you how to transplant mint in your pot. और जो transplantation का method होगा जो chilies और eggplant के लिए होगा वही आपको मैं बता रही हूँ. I'm telling you that so you can do it and try the transplantation of eggplant and chilies as well.
Mint is not a very expensive herb, but if you grow it fresh at home, then you're going to get a very clean herb at your place. Now look at the leaves of this herb. They're so clean and green, but if you're buying it from a vendor, they'll be a little bit blackish. Usually when you get mint from vegetable vendors, they're very black, but if it is homegrown, it is very easy to grow, and you can just take even a twig of it and put it in the soil and just grows. So next time, if you got big gardens, you can dig up the whole thing, throw away the grass, and maybe you can have a very nice mint bed in your gardens.
Dig a hole,